everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie, and guys, I must take the time out to say thank you for all the subscribers, for all the likes, for all the comments, for all the shares. Thank you very much. I do really appreciate it. Guys, today I will be preparing for us some spare ribs, which I have the side rib from the pork, so from the pig. So I will be preparing some spare ribs and also some breadfruit salad. I am so excited for the breadfruit salad because breadfruit salad was created recently by maybe Jamaicans. Create this breadfruit salad, and we all love our breadfruit salad. Guys, I am on my way to 100 subscribers. I am so excited. Please everyone, help me reach there. Help me get to my 100 mark. Please, please, please. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is my lovely block of rib. Now I will season the rib. First, I will cut them individually. Guys, if you know me from back home, you know that cooking is my passion. Maybe a few people have met me due to cooking. So cooking and gardening, that's my passion. Soon I will have some gardening videos coming out because now the time is nice here, so we can do a little gardening outside. Look forward for that one. So in this bowl I have garlic powder, meat seasoning, pork seasoning, jerk seasoning, and some roasted red pepper with garlic. So I'll just add it. I'll put a little bit of browning just for color. Some liquid seasoning. Forget to add my ginger. Don't want to make the ginger too small. Even though I use the garlic powder, I still try to use some ground Provision garlic as well, and the ginger. So guys, I have already preheat my oven to 400. So now I will put the ribs in the oven. I hope all of it fit in this. this way. Not like that. Come to the short to the long. I'll place it in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'll put this under the board so the board won't move. Now I'll start cutting my breadfruit for the breadfruit salad. So guys, this breadfruit is from my own tree in Jamaica. So the last time that I was there, I picked the breadfruit, of course take it here with me in Canada, and I peel them and I freeze them. You know, that's the way to have long-lasting things here, is to freeze it. So now I will cut these breadfruit in small dice-sized pieces. I would add some salt, guys, because I'm not going to be boiling the breadfruit. I'll put it in the steamer to have them steam. The reason for doing this is because I don't want the breadfruit to be too soft, too soggy to boil. So I will just put it in the steamer to steam so I can get it back, you know, hard and firm. So now I am making a Caesar salad, but I'm using the iceberg lettuce to make the Caesar salad, and I will be making my own croutons. So in the croutons, to make the croutons, I'll be using extra virgin olive oil, and I use some dry parsley, a bit of salt, and some garlic powder. So now I will cut the bread for the croutons. Small dice pieces. First I'll put some parsley, dry parsley, garlic powder, so hot, just a little, and some extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of salt. And also I have some green peas. I'll put the green peas to boil a little bit. Some people cook it, some don't. Incorporate the oil, dry parsley, garlic powder, and salt. Now I'll just wash my iceberg. Now this is washed and dry. I will set it in the fridge so I can have it cool and crunchy by the time the croutons are out of the oven. So now I will be checking in on the ribs. Wow. Coming along nicely. It's not even finished as yet. I'm wrapping it because I want it to cook and also to spring some juice so I can use it to marinate it. It's hot. I mean, use it to base it, not marinate. Here we have it. So now the breadfruit is all steamed. I will just set it aside and have it cool before I put my finishing touch on it. Now I'll just go ahead and cut some ground provision for the ribs. So I'll be using peppers and onion. I'll also put some bay leaf in. I'll use half of the onion. I will place it in my saucepan. Add a little avocado oil just to start marinating. Then I will check the ribs and take off some of the juice from the ribs. Look at it, guys, beautiful. So I'll be taking off the juice from the ribs to add it to my saucepan. So I'll use it to saute the meat and give it extra flavor. So guys, I'm just sauteing the veg. This is my ground provision here. And then I'll add the juice from the ribs to that. So the juice from the pork, I'm gonna add it to this vegetable, and then I'll use it to pour back over the pork to give it more flavor. I'm gonna be adding 2 bay leaf. Let's do 3. 2 bay leaf. So my croutons already cool, so I will just mix the salad, the Caesar salad. I'll go ahead and I will add my Caesar. Then I will add my croutons. And then I'll add some bacon bits. Then I'll set it back in the fridge. I'll peel this one for the breadfruit salad. So I'll add like a small carrot. Too much. 2 boiled egg. Add some mayonnaise. Then I'll grate some onion just for the juice. Stick it in the fridge to have it cool. Oh my God, almost forgot my sweet peas. So I add some sweet peas and I'll give it another stir. Try to incorporate the sweet peas. Guys, this is so good. You should all try to make it at home. It's very good, very tasty, very nice breadfruit salad. So here I am gonna add I'm gonna put some spare rib sauce along with some cane vinegar and the spare rib sauce, a little ketchup, black pepper, can go heavy in that one, Mix it all in. A little brown sugar if you have it. Okay guys, the ribs is all done. So I'm gonna put some spare rib sauce over it, but I'm gonna dip them in the sauce. Hope it works. I'll dip them in the sauce because I want the sauce everywhere. And then I'll put it back in the oven. Smells so nice, oh my god. So instead of using the brush, I don't have time, so I'll just do it like this. Dip them in the spare rib sauce one by one. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Now I will be doing some cleaning up. After that, I will be plating and eating. So excited. There you have it guys, a lovely spare ribs with breadfruit salad and a Caesar salad, a slice of avocado. Guys, I hope you all enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy preparing it for us all. Thanks for all of you who subscribe, who share, who like and watch my video. Thanks all and see you in the next video. Not because I'm the cook, this tastes so nice. Guys, you all should try this at home. Very good. The breadfruit salad, it's to die for. So good. Thank you all for watching.